Hi, my name is Elisa and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Gem Bottle actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about GemBot is, be careful with the website you're going to buy GemBot from, because GemBot is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is GemBot and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, GemBot works. The Gem Bottle is a special hydration. Amethyst is a natural sedative that reduces stress and tension, calms impatience, regulates mood swings and relieves aggression, anger, fear and anxiety. It dissolves negativity and relieves melancholy and despair. Gem Bottle is high quality and unique, from the BPA-free high borosilicate glass bottle to the stainless steel accents. Gem Bottle worth it? Yes. This is one of the most unique and beautiful gifts in the world, a wonderful conversation starter at yoga or work, and a treasure that will be cherished for years to come. Each bottle comes in a beautiful presentation box, making this the perfect gift that is both romantic and practical. The Gem Bottle is as functional as it is beautiful, and can be used for both hot and cold drinks. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Gem Bottle for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Gem Bottle. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Gem Bottle actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.